How's it going there, YouTube? Well, we're going to go a little old school with the YouTube channel. I'm going to use the Canon camera on the tripod because, well, we have audio issues when I use my phone because, well, I tend to cover the mic on my phone with my hand when I'm recording because, of course, the phone's only so big. But anyway, I decided to go with this little 320 hydrostat today a little bit, kind of see what's going on. I did give it a little power wash before I decided to start tearing into stuff because it's nice to work on a clean machine. And of course, when you do the engine work, you want things to be pretty clean anyways. So I decided to give it a quick little wash with the little cobalt power washer there. But I started some diagnostic stuff. I do believe it's a plunger rod because that's what I was told. This does have a fuel pump on it. So basically, my first idea with that, I pulled the fuel line off right down here, and as you guys can see, the gas is still turned on. So when you crank it over, gas should shoot out of that line. As there is not. And also, you guys notice how it turns kind of fast? Like it cranks over like it's not getting any gas. That was my first suspicion. So now what I'm going to do, I saw in another video, you pull this valve cover off. I just picked this side, it's the easier side to get to. There's a bracket on the other side. So I'm going to pull this valve cover off, and what you do, you crank the engine over, and if nothing turns in there, the cam gear is stripped. So I'm going to yank this off real quick here, and we'll see what's going on inside. Seems like every time I hit record on my camera today, somebody wants to drive down the street. But anyway, I'm going to crank this tractor over, and we'll see what happens now. If nothing moves inside of here, that cam gear is stripped. So let's see what happens. Ah, you guys see that? I'll get it for you again. Nothing but a little bit of oil. So I'm pretty sure that cam gear's stripped. Oh boy. Well, I've heard there's a couple different options here. I do know for a fact that this is quite an extensive job to do, of course, and it's quite expensive to get done at a shop. I've heard rumors it's upwards of $1,500 to get this done. But I've also heard that there's a steel cam gear upgrade kit that you can get for these too. Now the engine does have to come out to do this job. It's quite extensive to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it here. I'm going to go see a friend of mine has a shop in Newmarket, a small engine shop, and he used to do all the stuff for Grandpa and whatnot, and work on the small engines and whatnot back in the day. So I'm going to go and see him and see what he can give me for a quote and whatnot. Of course, I don't really have the space to tear into an engine like that right here at the moment because, well, my tin shed's packed full of stuff at the moment, so need to have another good cleanup. So anyway, we'll diddle around with this and figure see if we can see something. I'd hate to scrap the mower because, well, it's a good mower, it's a good size mower, and you know what, it'll still go out and cut the grass, so you know, I'd hate to get rid of something that works. And I really hope we can get it going. So anyway, I'm going to do some looking around for parts and whatnot, see if I can get some money ideas together, and we'll go from there. So anyway, if you guys like the video, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.